Here's a nice little reader vise. A red, they're all red. It's really small. Wife says she's never seen one that small. That's an interesting style of Tommy bar. I think I can tidy that up a little bit. Well, it's got a lot of rust and pitting and dings and digs absolutely everywhere. The dirty end of the shop is just 3 steps away. Just a really quick clear, make sure everything's clear of the wire wheel and nothing can get caught when they start spinning around. Off to put on the cheapest leather apron eBay sells. Does this ever happen to you, or is it just me? Amazing that I've lost the vise. So I mean losing stuff, not talking to yourself. It took me ages to find that vise. I even lost my apron in the process. Right, apron found, mask on because there's dust and old paint, gloves on, and eye shield on. As it's so small, I'm leaving it together to give me something to grip to while I attack it with the wire wheel. Okay, the block of wood is to give me a flat edge, and I just want to clean top of those jaws up. While we've got the belt sander out, we'll clean the edges up as well of those jaws. This is a 120 belt. Moving on now to remove the split pin that's holding the washer and the spring on the drive screw. No washer. Time to round off the first nut at the end of the Tommy bar. And the other end needs a little bit more work. Okay, back onto cleaning up the dynamic jaw of the vise, stripping it down there into its individual pieces and getting all the rest of the paint off. This fixed side of the vise has a big old casting mark down it. I'll try and get rid of that. And again, a big old casting mark, really unusual to see on the dynamic jaw, but maybe it's just because it's so small. So here's what it looked like before and after. That's turned out to be a lovely little vise. That's Rust-Oleum hard hat red and gold highlights on the lettering. Well, have a good evening. Bye for now.